Hey DevOps engineers, today we are solving a classic Python string problem that often comes up in AWS and DevOps interviews. Finding the first non-repeating character in a string. Here is the challenge. You have a string like Swiss. We want to find the first character that appears only once. In Swiss, S repeats, but W appears once. So the answer is W. There are several approaches for solving this problem. I want to choose dictionary based approach. Let's create a Python script for this. So I'm using GitHub Copilot to generate the code, but I don't want to generate using GitHub Copilot. Let's write this logic from scratch. All right. This is our function name. It takes string as a input. I will create one dictionary. This dictionary will store data as a key and value. Key is the character. Value is the number of occurrences of this character in a string. So let me say this is a character count. Initially, this dictionary is empty. Let me stop this suggestion. I'm unselecting for Python, and so that we can write this code without any disturbance from Copilot. For C in yes, meaning if we are passing a string to this function, let's say Swiss, we are picking one character at a time from this string, and I want to see if this character is present in the dictionary. If yes, increment its value. If no, add it with 1 as a initial value. So for that, to access elements from a dictionary, we should pass the key. So in this case, C is the key equals char count dot get. One way to get value from a dictionary is by passing key. The other way is using get function. Get the value using the key. If there is no key in the dictionary, return 0. Add 1 to its value, meaning if I am passing Swiss as an input to this function, let me put like this. Swiss is coming in this variable. We are getting one character at a time and looping on it. So first it is yes. We are saying char count of yes. We are assigning the value to this char count of yes, right? And we are saying char count dot get of yes. First time this is blank. If it is not there, it returns 0. 0 plus 1, now it becomes 1. And in the next iteration, it is W. Again, it will store 1 for W. And for I, again, it is first time, it will store 1 as a value. When it comes to yes, it is already there. So it gets that value plus 1, it becomes 2. So that is how this particular piece of code works. So after this loop, let's print the value of char count so that you'll get some idea. Open terminal and execute this code. So I need to call the function, right? See here, S appeared 3 times, W appeared once, I appeared once. So in this case, right, the first non-repeating character is W. So we got a dictionary with characters and number of times this character is appearing in the string. Now the next part is to find out our output. After the dictionary is constructed in the same function coming out of the loop, let's write one more loop. I'm looping through the string I'm passing. I want to get the value of the keys. If this is equals to 1, then it is our answer. So let's print that, and we need to break the loop. We should not continue. Now let's test it. It's my bad. It should be inside if condition. Yeah, this is the output. W is the first non-repeating character in this string. Let me call this one more time with a string where there is no non-repeating character. And see what happens for the second call. So it is not printing anything, right? So if that is the case, probably I should print no non-repeating character found. So you can put else for entire for loop. Let me say no non-repeating character found. And yeah, that's the output. Thank you.